Windows Cumulative Update not installing or fails to install? Here are 5 ways you can fix it. This is the Windows Club. At times, you may find that the Windows Cumulative Update is not installing or fails to install. Here we have shown how you can fix it. Let's get started. Method 1. If your Windows update has failed to install, you need to clean up the corrupted installation. To do this, you can make use of the built-in Deployment Image Servicing and Management or DISM.exe tool. Type cmd in the search bar and run command prompt as an administrator. Type dism/online/get-packages and press enter. Here you won't see the update installed. If you do see it, then it means that it has been installed or that the installation is corrupted. In this case, see if you can uninstall it via the Installed Update section in the control panel. If you can, then proceed. Next, type dism/online/cleanup-image/restore health and press enter. Restart your PC. Method 2. In case you are unable to install the update package via Windows Update, then you should download and install the package manually via the Microsoft Update Catalog website. We have a dedicated article and video on it that you can check out. Method 3. If you have any VPN client software installed, uninstall it. Removing the VPN helped solve the problem. Method 4. The next thing you can do is perform a registry tweak. Make sure to either back up your registry or create a system restore point before doing this method. Press the Windows +R keys to open Run. Type regedit and click OK. This will open the registry editor. Navigate to hkey_local_machine/Microsoft/Windows NT/current version/profile list. The ones with the short names are required by the system. Check the SIDs with the long names and delete the profiles which don't exist on your PC. Make sure you do not delete the admin profile. To delete, right-click on it and click on Delete. Restart your computer. Method 5. Another thing you can do is reset your PC. Type Reset this PC in the Windows search bar and select the top result. Click on Reset PC and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.